finest times. But all the pretty girls come from VA. Then it's New York and MIA. Then it's PG and run my way. So I'm never.
Hey guys, first of all, thank you so much to Beauty Forever Hair for sponsoring this video. Getting straight into it, I'm going to show you guys what the unit came with. It came in this bag along with a silk bag, 2 pairs of HD wig caps, a wig melting band, an edge brush, some tape, and of course the unit. So this is a new and improved glueless unit. The glueless units are evolving. This is a 7x5 water wave unit. It came with edges, pre-plucked, pre-cut, and pre-bleached. This is a water wave unit, and it also came with a drawstring where you can go ahead and adjust this to your head size. This is a pretty full water wave unit. Came with a comb, and like I said, this is a new and improved glueless unit. This is a unit that features a 360 anti-slip upgrade. It has an anti-slip feature. I don't know if you guys can see. It is a silicone grip band all around the cap, so from where the lace ends here all the way round the cap, all the way round. So this would keep the unit on your head. It is anti-slip, so this glueless unit is very high-tech because it has a drawstring and has the anti-slip. You know how silicone grips go, so it will stick to your head and you can just wear this glueless. It won't come off your head. It also has the silicone feature right here as well at the top here, so it goes all round the cap and here. Also, this unit tends to fit a lot of head sizes. It has the means to stretches like this. You see how far it can stretch, and it goes back to normal. Far it can stretch and it goes back to normal. So when you put this on your head, no matter your head size, is going to fit very well. It also comes with an upgraded adjustable band. This adjustable band I love because it's less bulkier than the previous adjustable bands. Also, when you adjust this band, whenever you adjust the band, especially if you have a small head, the lace kind of lifts up at the front because you've adjusted it so the cap looks weird and fits weird. But this one is not going to work like that because this is a high-tech stretchy cap. Whenever you adjust the band, the cap is going to fit the form and shape of your head. I hope that makes sense. When I put on this unit, you guys are going to be able to tell exactly what I'm trying to say. I really love how these brands are upgrading the glueless units because not everybody likes glue. Some of us like to take our wigs off at the end of the day, and this is perfect and beginner friendly, especially if you don't like to deal with glue. All you have to do is put foundation on and slap it on your head and go. No matter the size of your head, actually this is going to fit very well. When you go ahead and adjust this on the cap, once it stretches, it literally adjusts the lace on your head so it won't look weird like the previous adjustable bands. As you pull, it adjusts the lace on your forehead so it doesn't look raised. I hope that this makes sense. I'm gonna go ahead and put some foundation on this, and we're gonna go ahead and put it on. I've gone ahead to adjust this. My head is super small, so this is great if you have a small head. So straight onto my head, I have not even adjusted the adjustable band, but literally is seated on my head. The anti-grip feature is really there, like it's seated on my head, and I really love this adjustable band. It's not bulky at all. It just sits right and comfortable in the cap. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the adjustable band at the back. I love this. Oh my god, I love this. This is so comfortable. I have adjusted the adjustable band at the back of my head, and this is not lifting. Like, it's literally very streamlined and just like sitting on my head. Also, it has the cutout ear thing, so it's very comfortable. As you can see, it hasn't lifted at all. It's just seated very comfortably. I haven't melted my lace yet, but it still looks good. There's no glue here. No glue. It still looks really good on both sides. Look at the lace. It's not lifted at all, and it's very secure on my head. I also love this additional baby hair feature. It's so cute. This is a beautiful unit. I haven't put any product in it. It looks very good. I love this. This is so cute. I'm not even joking. You guys can see, right? I'm so impressed. Look, I am going to use some melting spray. You really don't need to, because like I said, it is secure. I just want to do some extra melting because I am extra. I'm gonna deal with these beautiful curls. I honestly do not want to define it. I want it to look this way. It's so cute, full, so pretty, no product, straight out of the package. I love it. I'm gonna do some water and mousse on one. So this is what the unit is looking like with water and mousse. It looks very good, very juicy curls, fallout was minimal. This is how the back is looking. It looks so good. I'm gonna let it dry down just a tad bit, and I'll be back to show you guys when the lace melts just a tad bit as well, because I want to go over the edges with some mousse. This is pre-made edges, which is so beginner friendly if you ask me, because so this is also given. I especially love that this is not lifting at all. It's so comfortable. I'm not gonna do claw clip today, but you can do a claw clip. This is a cute little style. Another gorgeous style. I love it. The hair has gotten bigger. Look, it's gotten bigger and juicier. Ooh, I definitely love it bigger. I definitely love it bigger. These baby hairs are doing something to me, man. I love it. So pretty. So guys, I used some mousse on the edges. It was quite simple because this unit already came with the edges pre-arranged. This is an absolutely gorgeous unit. I'm very impressed. This is a water wave unit from Beauty Forever Hair 7x5. It came pre-cut, pre-bleached and pre-plucked. It is versatile as well. I showed you guys a few styles. I love that you can pick this unit up, throw it on and go. It came looking very good straight out of the package. Just use a little bit of foundation on the lace and you are good to go. So yeah, thank you so much to Beauty Forever Hair for sponsoring this video. I've gone ahead to put all the details down below. Make sure to check it out. Minimal shedding, this unit eats. I'll see you guys in my next one. Take care. Bye.